You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this island south of Italy. We'll be looking at how to say it in Italian too. Quite different. Stay tuned to learn more. Sicily. Si-se-li. Yes, the middle sound is a schwa sound, so it's not Sicily generally in English, but rather Sicily. Stress on the first syllable. It's easy, Sicily, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, it helps, thank you for that. And more videos on how to say more famous places in Italian, including how to say Sicily in Italian too. It's surprising and it's interesting. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.